What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't seen the title, I am making some jorts right now. I just wanted to pick up the camera and record the process because I've never made it. I already kind of like cut the pants already. I cut the pants because I just picked up the camera last minute because I didn't know if I was going to record or not. But hey, let's make this into a video. It's content. I also have these right here. Let me set the camera down for a minute. I also have these right here. So these are not that baggy, right? They're very slim. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this open right here, and I'm gonna add more to it because I want it to fit a little more baggier because I'm not really feeling these right now. So what I'm gonna do is cut that open, remove the seam, and let's get into it. Let me show you guys. Alright, just to get an idea. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take this. This is also the bottom part of the jeans if you guys don't know. Flip it inside out. I'm going to just cut it open with scissors. I'm also going to be customizing it a little bit, adding some distressing to the areas that I want to be distressed. I just feel like it will look better. And I do not have a pair of distressed shorts that I like, so let's just try, mess around, and find out how it'll go. Alright, chat, we just finished cutting one and I just pinned it to the second one. So what we did was cut like a triangle, but what I did is I did 8 inches on the bottom and then 2 inches on top, and then 10 and a half, close to, yeah, 10 and a half inches on the side going down in an angle. So this is what we're going to be putting in the middle of the jeans. So let's get cutting, and yeah. If you haven't yet, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Even go follow me on Instagram at Itsanthonyrebelo, same thing as my YouTube. But this is the result so far. This is what we got. So we got 2 panels. Hold on, let me get rid of this right here. I'm just gonna show you an example of what I'm gonna be doing too. So this right here, you see on top, we're gonna stitch this together, and then we're gonna open it like this and then stitch it to the pants. So at the moment, this is what we're doing. I just need to make some adjustments because I can see right here it's not gonna align when I do it. And then after, we want to do a top stitch as well, so we're gonna stitch it down here as well. I'm gonna switch up the camera angle because we're gonna be, the next clip is gonna be on the sewing machine. Actually, let me do something real quick. You wanna take your jeans that you wanna cut, and you see this right here, you're gonna cut that off. You're gonna take this part and cut that completely off, because I don't want it to be too small too. So that's what it's gonna look like. You're gonna cut this one off. Then you also want to cut on this side too. You want to get rid of it completely. If you guys don't know, I do also own a clothing brand, rebelo.store. If you guys want to go check it out. Also rebelo.store on Instagram. Go check it out there. Go give it a follow. We will be dropping some new pieces eventually. We are working on it. I've been working on the same exact hoodie for like 3 to 4 months now. No, not even. This is my 3rd sample of this hoodie. I'm just trying to make it perfect, to be honest, because I think about quality, so that's why we're on the 3rd sample. It's been 6 months. This shit is just gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna be releasing maybe like within the next 3 months. I got a shirt coming out as well. We're gonna be releasing that for summer, and then for closer to fall, we're gonna be releasing the hoodie for you guys as well. So please go give me a follow on my Instagram as well. I'll put it on the screen right here. Both of them. This one's gonna be whatever, and then this one's gonna be whatever. So just go follow that. Pause the screen or pause the TV. Go follow it, please. It'll mean a lot to me, and it'll help me out a lot. Thank you. So yeah, we just cut this off. That's it. So now we're gonna sew this part first. Hold on. Let's just put this to the side. We're gonna take. Put this over here. We're gonna take this first, and we're gonna sew this up together. So let's get to that. Alright, I'm not going to use black. I got black right here, but I'm going to change it to white real quick because I think it'll look better with the jeans, because the jeans are light jeans. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to change it to white real quick. Alright, we're gonna start with sewing. Alright, now we did that. This is how it's looking so far. Now we're gonna do a little top stitch. Hey, it's not the best, but it gets the job done. I honestly don't know how I could make it look better anyway too, so it looks pretty good to me so far. Now, I just gotta clean it up a bit. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Alright, so now we're gonna be taking this and putting it with this. So let's do that real quick. Let's flip them inside out. Alright, let me get a better angle for you guys. Hold on. Alright, so these are how they're looking so far. Bro, don't mind it. Don't mind it. I still gotta iron them. But before I iron them, I'm gonna add like some distressing right here. I'm gonna cut it out. Actually, I'm gonna draw out a design and then add distressing. I feel like that'll look cool. We're gonna add distressing there, and then maybe like right here next to the pocket. And then right here, we're gonna distress all this around it. Yeah, let's get it. Let's do it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the knife. I have something under it so it doesn't cut the other layer. And I'm just making designs on the pattern of where I wanted it to be. So we're just doing that. Trying to make it look cool, natural. I can't flip it, but now we're just gonna try to remove. You see the white lines, we're gonna try to remove them. So I have to try to do it this way, but I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, you see them? Try to remove them, like that. All right, I don't know if you can see it, but separate it from the line in the middle. Dark blue, take it out from the dark blue. You can see that? I don't know if you can see that, but you get what I'm doing. Do that, open it, do that, yep. I wish there was a faster way to do this, but I don't know how to do that. This is the only way that I found on the internet. Maybe I could just rip it apart without like damaging it too much. Yeah, I could do that too. That's how it's looking so far. It's gonna look better. Just trust the process, trust the process. Let me take them out a little more. I'm gonna time lapse this because this shit's gonna take forever to do. That's how it's looking. I don't know if you can see, but we're adding this right here. It's looking good so far. We're gonna be doing another one like right here, then one up here, and then maybe like right here. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done doing this, the whole entire pants, because bro, this is gonna take mad. It's gonna take mad long, and my camera is not gonna like that, and I need it for storage. So let's just do that after. So see you guys in a minute when I'm done. I'm making like some cool little pattern on the edge of the pants. Ooh, and we are done. Alright, I'm gonna just throw this on the ground for you guys to see. It's not the best, but we got some patchwork. We got some distressing on the jeans. We did it right here, and then we added some sewing right here. Some right here, and then I did this right here. I think it's pretty cool. I did it to the both sides. I added more distressing on it. Bruno. We added more distressing on the back around the pockets. I also added this right here on the back. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed me making these. I'm gonna put them on in a minute so I can show you, but let me so not so. Let me flatten this because right now it's like poofy and it's ugly. So let me fix that real quick, and then afterwards I'm gonna put it on for you guys. Don't judge too hard, but let me know what you guys think. How did I do? Low key, not too bad. It's just I think I need to put it in the washing machine a little bit to make this area look more flat. I feel like after that it'll look better, but the distressing came out nice. I really like the little distressing on the pants right here. This is really nice. And then this, I like this a lot. Oh shit, I forgot to cut this off. Hold on. There, boom, fixed. With these, I don't really get to care too much because honestly, they're just beaters. And over time, I'm just gonna keep working on it. I don't know. They're cool little pants, I guess. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below on how I did and if I should just throw these away. But if I did good, give me a like and subscribe. But yeah, let me put a fit on with this. If you guys want to see the fit, go up to my Instagram and watch the video there because I'm going to be posting it there. But yeah, go check it out. Alright, this is going to wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't know who I am, again, my name is Anthony. I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.